How to assemble double-sided gondola shelving. Before you begin, make sure you have all the parts. This kit includes 2 440mm base shelves, 2 150mm pegboard backings, 2 double-sided upright posts, 8 300mm pegboard backings, and 1 top cap. You will also need a rubber hammer and a leveler tool. Put 2 double-sided upright posts apart from each other. Clip in the 150mm high pegboard backing on both sides of the post at the bottom. Then simply place both of the base shelves on by inserting them into the U-shaped runners on the posts. Now clip the 300mm high pegboard backing into the upright post one by one for both sides. Use a rubber hammer where necessary to ensure backings are clipped in properly. Place top cap across the posts. And then cover with rubber caps. Finally, use a leveler tool to adjust the adjustable feet to ensure the shelving is level. And that brings us to the end of the process. If you have any questions or would like further information, please visit our website bethelshopfitting.com.au or call our showroom on 02 9723 5899.